Whether it's due to genetics or an imbalance in hormone levels, hair loss is a very real problem many men and women face as they age. For men, has thinning hair or a receding hairline caught your attention? Have you noticed a balding spot on the back of your head? You may be wondering, why is this happening? The scientific answer is simple. As our body ages, so does our hair. Just like the rest of the body, hair loss in men can be caused by a hormone conversion that increases as we age, as well as a variety of other factors that can all be screened through lab work. But that's not all. Along with hormone imbalances, stress can also be a huge factor. If you're young and you have no genetic or family history of early balding, then stress may be the main factor for thinning hair. Thankfully, at ageRejuvenation, we offer a variety of procedures and therapies to stop the decline of hair cells for men, including hormone replacement therapy, stem cell therapy, PRP hair restoration for men. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is used by our board-certified practitioners to address any hormonal imbalances or insufficiencies that can attribute to your hair loss. Once we discover which hormones are lacking, we can reintroduce them to your body to slow and even reverse your hair loss. Hair loss treatment for men is also achieved using PRP hair restoration. PRP uses your own growth factors to bring blood flow back to the hair follicles and can increase the number of hair follicles actively growing on your head, as well as activate now dormant hair follicles. As time progresses and less hair is falling out, while more hair follicles are growing, you're going to notice that your hair becomes thicker and starts to fill in across your scalp. No need for creams, medications, or stinky shampoos that may or may not work. We'd love to get to know you and learn how we can help. Begin your journey in 3 easy steps. Call us to set up a free consultation with one of our experts. Schedule your first visit and take your initial lab tests. Review your lab tests with one of our practitioners to better understand your current state of health and how you can maximize your success moving forward. For more information on what we can do to help you live a healthier, happier life, visit our website at www.ageRejuvenation.com.